sexual reproduction in lower plants. In lower plants. Lower plants. Sexual reproduction in lower plant. In last class, we had already discussed on the asexual reproduction in the lower plants and asexual reproduction in the higher plants. Now we have to discuss on the sexual reproduction in the lower plants. Lower plants are algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, and gymnosperms. These are the primitive plants than the angiosperm. आपल्याला हे पाहायचं आहे लैंगिक प्रजनन सुरुवातीच्या वनस्पतीमध्ये कशा पद्धतीने होतं याचा आपल्याला अभ्यास करायचा आहे. अगदी सुरुवातीच्या हिरव्या वनस्पतीमध्ये लैंगिक प्रजनन कशा पद्धतीने होत होतं त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला बघायचं आहे sexual reproduction in higher plants like angiosperm. Higher plants, advanced plants, well developed plant. या वनस्पतीमध्ये angiosperm मध्ये आपल्याला नंतर सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस बघायचे आहे. पण त्याच्या अगोदर लोअर प्लांट्स लाईक algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta आणि जिम्नोस्पर्म याच्यामध्ये सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कसं होतं हे थोडक्यात पाहायचं आहे. कारण कंपॅरेटिव्हली आपल्याला स्टडी करायचं असेल लोअर प्लांट आणि हायर प्लांट्स त्याचं कंपॅरेटिव्हली सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन जर बघायचं असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी लोअर प्लांटचा पण अभ्यास करणं आवश्यक आहे. अन्यथा काही पॉइंट्स नीड्सशी रिलेटेड आपल्याला सोडवता येत नाही. सो वी हॅव टू डिस्कस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन द लोअर प्लांट्स. लोअर प्लांट्स algae. In the algae, the sex organs are absent. Sex organs are absent. Sex organs are absent. Very simple cells are developed, or if present, it is very simple without jacket without sexual reproduction or sexually reproducing organs may develop. Very simple sex organ may develop in the algae without jacket, without cover. या ठिकाणी algae मध्ये only single cell of the one of the filament acts as gamete. So gametic cells, fusing cells are not protected by developing jacket or multicellular cover. Our cellular cover may develop, but the cellular cover may not be developed in the algae around the sex organs. Very simple sex organs may develop or sex organs absent. Sex cells, male gamete, male cell and female cell. Female fusing cell known as female gamete, male fusing cell known as male gamete. These gametes fuse to form zygote, diploid zygote. This diploid zygote gametes are haploid. Haploid gamete fuse to form zygote, and this zygote undergo meiosis. Meiosis directly, and for gamete, meiospores. Meiospores, and these meiospores germinate to produce filamentous body of the algae. Filamentous body of the algae. Filamentous body. Multicellular filaments may develop. Multicellular filamentous body. Such type of multicellular filamentous body may develop. Algal filament may develop. Multicellular filamentous body may develop from the such type of multicellular filamentous body may develop by mitotic division. Number of filaments of the algae, filamentous body. So such type of algal bodies may develop from the meiospore after mitosis, germination in the water. So here 6 organs are absent, and this zygote directly divides into meiospores. Simple division, simple fertilization may occur between the sex cell and form meiospores, and meiospore germination leads to the formation of the filamentous gametophytic plant body. This is known as gametophyte. Gametophyte. This gametophytic plant body is recognized plant body in the algae, and zygote is only sporophytic stage. This is the sporophyte. Sporophytic stage. Single celled sporophytic stage occur in the algae. But in another group of the plants like Bryophyta, in the Bryophyta, 6 organs, Bryophyta. We have to study sexual reproduction in the Bryophyta. Bryophyta is second group of the plant and first group of the land plants. Bryophyta. It is amphibian group of the plant. In the Bryophyta and Pteridophyta, sex organs are commonly developed, and these sex organ, male sex organ in the Bryophyta is antheridium. Antheridia plural, antheridium singular. And in the Pteridophyta also, in the Pteridophyta and Bryophyta, female sex organ is archegonium. Archegonium. Female sex organ is archegonium. So in the pteridophyta and in the bryophyta, male sex organs are developed, and these sex organs are developed. Male sex organ is known as antheridium, and female sex organ is known as archegonium. Now, what type of structure is developed in the bryophyta and pteridophyta of the male sex organ and female sex organ? We have to study in brief. The antheridium. Antheridium is possessing such type of sex organ. Antheridium possessing special type of cell known as cover cell and lateral ring cell. Such type of lateral ring cell of the antheridium and basal cell. Basal cell. This is the basal cell. So this cover of the antheridium, is known as jacket. Jacket of the antheridium. Jacket of the antheridium. The cover cell, this is known as cover cell, and these are ring cell, ring cells and basal cells. Basal cells. Basal cells. And inside the cover, the number of male gametes may develop, and these male gametes are called, non-motile male gametes are called androcytes. These are known as androcytes. So androcytes, non-motile male gamete developed inside the antheridium, known as androcytes, and the such type of haploid male gametes may develop inside the cover cell, jacket cell, antheridium. Simple sex organ may develop but with the jacket. And archegonium, archegonium is placental reproductive organ, female reproductive organ, placental. This placental archegonium, a basal portion. This basal portion is swollen, somewhat swollen, and swollen portion is known as venter. This is known as venter. This is known as venter, and this venter encloses a egg cell. This is the egg, female gamete, egg, female gamete, and above the egg cell there is another cell located. This is known as venter canal cell. Venter canal cell. Venter canal cell. And in the elongated portion, this is the protruded elongated portion of the archegonium is known as neck of the archegonium, and this neck of the archegonium is formed 4 to 6 row of cell and uppermost cell are known as cover cell. So neck is formed by 6 row of cell, and in the center of the row the cells present in the neck region known as, these cells are known as neck canal cell. Neck canal cells. So such type of structure is developed in the female sex organ of the Pteridophyta and Bryophyta. This is the neck of the archegonium. This neck of the archegonium and ventral canal of archegonium later on disintegrate during fertilization process and for passage for the entry of the male gamete. And in the basal portion there is a basal cell of the thallus of the bryophytic plant body or pteridophytic prothallus. Such type of archegonia, so many archegonia may develop in the prothallus of Pteridophyta and in the thallus of the Bryophyta. Such type of sex organs are developed. When the sex organs, both sex organs present in the same gametophytic plant body, then that type of plant body or condition is known as monoecious condition. And when the sex organs are separately developed on the gametophytic plant body, known as dioecious condition. Dioecious condition and monoecious condition. The sex organs may present or developed on the same plant body or different plant body. एकाच प्लांट बॉडी वरती दोन्ही सेक्स ऑर्गन असतील, एकाच प्लांट बॉडी वरती दोन्ही सेक्स ऑर्गन असतील, तर त्या ठिकाणी दोन्ही सेक्स ऑर्गन निर्माण झालेले असतील तर त्याला मोनोसियस असा शब्द वापरतो. मोनोसियस बघा, बोथ सेक्स ऑर्गन एज प्रेझेंट इन द प्लांट बॉडी नोन एज मोनोसियस. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? मोनोसियस. And when separately on the separate plant body sex organs are developed. On one of the plant body male sex organ developed, and on the another plant body female sex organ developed. Such type of unisexual condition has occurred in the plant body. That phenomenon is known as dioecious. Remember that monoecious and dioecious condition may occur in the plant body. Monoecious and dioecious. Dioecious and monoecious condition. हे बघा, या ठिकाणी मोनोसियस म्हणलं की दोन्ही सेक्स ऑर्गन एकाच प्लांट बॉडी वरती असतील, आणि डायोसियस म्हणलं की वेगवेगळ्या प्लांट बॉडी वरती वेगवेगळे सेक्स ऑर्गन असतील. म्हणजे मेल प्लांट बॉडी वरती मेल सेक्स ऑर्गन एंथ्रिडियम असेल आणि फिमेल प्लांट बॉडी वरती आर्चिगोनिया असेल. So such type of sex organs developed in the Pteridophyta and Bryophyta, male sex organ antheridium and female sex organ archegonium. Archegonium and antheridium developed. Antheridia, more than one antheridium developed on the thallus of the Bryophytic plant body or Pteridophytic plant body. More than one archegonia may developed on the thallus plant body. So these sex organs are developed during fertilization. What happened here? During fertilization, the cover cell of the antheridium open due to absorption of water from the surrounding. बाहेरचं पाणी शोषून घेतलं जातं. Hygroscopic substance may present inside the antheridium, and that type of condition help in the absorption of water. पाणी शोषून घेतं आणि पाणी शोषून घेतल्यानंतर मधला सबस्टान्स फुगतो, जिलॅटिनस सबस्टान्स फुगतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, हे कव्हर किंवा कॅप सेल, हे जॅकेट सेल काय होते, कव्हर सेल किंवा कॅप सेल म्हणतो आपण, हे ओपन होतं अँड मेल गॅमेट मे कम्स आउट. एंड्रोसाइट मे कम्स आउट बाय डेव्हलपिंग फ्लॅजेला. अशा प्रकारच्या फ्लॅजेला या ठिकाणी निर्माण होतील, अशा फ्लॅजेला निर्माण होतात असे. Biflagellated or more than two flagella may develop, multiflagellated structure may develop, and such type of motile male gamete developed in the Bryophyta and Pteridophyta known as antherozoites. Antherozoites. लक्षात ठेवा, मोटाईल मेल गॅमेट्स हे कधी निर्माण होतील, पाण्याच्या संपर्कामध्ये जेव्हा अँथ्रोडियम येतं मॅच्युअर झाल्यानंतर त्या अँड्रोसाइट्सचं कन्व्हर्शन कशामध्ये होतं, या अँड्रोसाइट्सचं कन्व्हर्शन अँथेरोझाइट्स म्हणजे मोटाईल मेल गॅमेट्स तयार होतील. अँड सच टाइप ऑफ मेल गॅमेट स्विम्स इन द फिल्म ऑफ वॉटर and migrate, moves towards the archegonia, where what happen, due to absorption of water, ventral canal cell and neck canal cell may disintegrate by opening of this such type of cover cell or cap cell. And say here what happen, the male gametes enter inside the archegonium and fertilization may occur. Egg whose pair, egg may also known as whose pair, and this whose pair after fertilization develop into zygote. This after fertilization zygote may develop. Fertilization. So in the Bryophyta and in the Pteridophyta, fertilization takes place in the presence of water. पाण्याच्या प्रेझेंटीमध्ये मेल गॅमेट्स काय होतील, मूव्ह होतील आणि त्या ठिकाणी फर्टिलायझेशन प्रोसेस घडून येते. नाउ आफ्टर फर्टिलायझेशन इफ देयर इज गॅमेटोफायटिक प्लांट बॉडी, अशा प्रकारचे हे गॅमेटोफायटिक प्लांट बॉडी आहे आणि हे गॅमेटोफायटिक प्लांट बॉडी आहे, समजा गॅमेटोफाइट म्हणतो आपण याला, हॅप्लॉइड प्लांट बॉडी, आणि हा झायगोट तयार झालेला आहे. हा झायगोट पुन्हा नंतर काय होतो, मल्टिपल डिव्हिजन होतं, मायटोसिस, आणि अशा प्रकारचे एक असं कव्हर, एक डिप्लॉइड स्ट्रक्चर निर्माण होतं, याला म्हणतो आपण स्पोरोफाइट. याला काय म्हणतो आपण, स्पोरोफाइट. दिस इज स्पोरोफाइट and this one is gametophyte, haploid gametophyte, and this one is the sporophyte. So here what happened, zygote undergo mitotic division, not undergo meiotic division in the Pteridophyta and Bryophyta. Bryophyta मध्ये आणि Pteridophyta मध्ये झायगोट हा काय होतो, मायटोटिक डिव्हिजन होतं आणि या ठिकाणी काय होतं, स्पोरोफाइटिक प्लांट बॉडी. So such type of sporophytic structure dependent on gametophyte. Here rhizoids, water absorbing structure and anchoring structure may develop on the lower surface of the thallus, and such type of rhizoids root like structure may develop in the Bryophyta and Pteridophyta gametophytic plant body. Now here such type of sporophytic structure undergo some of the cell which are known as spore mother cell. Here spore mother cell may develop. Spore mother cell, and these spore mother cell undergo meiosis and produce neospore to develop the gametophytic plant body. But in the Pteridophyta, sporophyte and gametophyte may independently grow at maturity. As compared to Bryophyta, in the Bryophyta, sporophytic condition is dependent on gametophyte, but in the pteridophyta, at maturity, sporophyte and gametophyte independently grow. Both are autotrophic. But fertilization process require the sex organ, male sex organ, archegonium, antheridium, male sex organ, antheridium, and female sex organ, archegonium. हे दोन्हीही सेक्स ऑर्गन या याच्यामध्ये असतात आणि म्हणून याला काय म्हणतो आपण आर्चिगोनिया आणि अँथ्रेडिया हे डेव्हलप झालेले त्याच्यामध्ये आणि अशा प्रकारचं फर्टिलायझेशन प्रोसेस टेरिडोफाइटामध्ये आणि ब्रायोफाइटामध्ये आढळून येते सेक्स ऑर्गन असे डेव्हलप झालेले असतात नाउ इन द जिम्नोस्पर्म व्हॉट हॅपन द अँथ्रेडिया आर ॲब्सेंट इन जिम्नोस्पर्म Antheridia absent, but Archegonia are developed. Archegonia developed, but the Archegonia in which what happened only venter is developed. Such type of venter is developed. Venter and only few neck cells may present, cover cell and neck cell. So neck cells may reduced and here only venter canal cell and egg is present. This is the venter canal cell and this one is the egg. So such type of simple archegonial structure is developed in the gymnosperm, Antheridia absent, and the spore producing, male spore producing sporangia may germinate in the ovule, in the archegonial chamber, pollen chamber, and germination leads to formation of male gametophyte with motile male gametes or non-motile male gametes. अशा प्रकारचे हे वेगवेगळे स्ट्रक्चर हे लोअर प्लांट मध्ये आढळून येतं आणि इव्होल्युशनरी स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये काय होतं इव्होल्युशनरी प्रोसेस मध्ये काय होतं असे वेगवेगळे स्ट्रक्चर चेंजेस झालेले आहेत सिंपल सेक्स ऑर्गन पासून ते पुन्हा नंतर कॉम्प्लेक्स सेक्स ऑर्गन डेव्हलप झालेले आहेत आणि हे आर्चिगोनिया जे आहेत हे ओव्हल मध्ये आढळून येतं ओव्हल मध्ये आढळून येतं ओव्हल इन दी ओव्हल आर्चिगोनिया डेव्हलप्ड इन ओव्हल्स Archegonia may develop. Such type of Archegonia may develop in the archegonial chamber on the gametophytic structure. So gametophyte is completely dependent on sporophyte in the gymnosperm, and that gametophytic structure may regarded as endosperm. Nutritive structure may develop in the ovule. So here in all plants only single fertilization takes place during sexual reproduction. According to sexual organ structure, fertilization process are different, methods are different, but single fertilization occur in all plants. In the algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperm, only single fertilization may take place. In the algae, fertilization process and life cycle complete only in the water, so these are aquatic plant. Bryophyta, in the bryophyta what happen in the bryophyta and pteridophyta fertilization process occur in the presence of water, and in the gymnosperm fertilization process may occur without water. Zoogamy condition occur in the gymnospermic condition. The gymnospermic fertilization. Zoogamy means motile male gametes. Motile male gametes may move towards the egg through the tube-like structure. Tube-like structure of the male gametophyte, and that motile male gametes may move towards the archegonium. But in the angiosperm, there is different condition. Double fertilization occur in the angiosperm. We have to study in detail. fertilization process in the angiosperm. But before that, you should know the process of fertilization in the lower plants. So, in the lower plants, 6 organs, Archidium and Archegonium are developed, and in gymnosperm, only Archegonia, simple Archegonia are present, and later on archegonial structure, antheridial structure may change in the angiosperm. Single fertilization occur in the lower plants. या टॉपिक मध्ये किंवा या सब युनिट मध्ये हे आपण सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर प्लांट मध्ये जर बघितलं गेलं तर सेक्स ऑर्गन मध्ये बदल होत गेलेला आहे अकॉर्डिंग टू द ओव्हुलेशनरी और इव्होल्युशनरी कंडिशन. अकॉर्डिंग टू इव्होल्युशनरी कंडिशन व्हाट हॅपन द चेंजेस मे ऑकर. अशा प्रकारचे बदल होत गेलेले आहेत. वातावरणानुसार सेक्स ऑर्गन मध्ये बदल होत गेलेले आहेत. आंथ्रेडिया आर्चिगोनिया वेल डेव्हलप झालेले ब्रायोफाइटामध्ये आणि टेरिडोफाइटामध्ये, पण पुढे नंतर त्याच्यामध्ये चेंजेस होत गेलेले आहेत आणि पाणी नसल्यामुळं फर्टिलायझेशन हे इन ॲब्सेन्स ऑफ वॉटर होतं. अशा प्रकारचं आपण याच्यावरती रिपीट तुम्ही व्हिडिओ पहा म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. आणि हा व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास याला सबस्क्राईब आणि लाईक केल्याशिवाय विसरू नका. थँक्यू.